the 15 degree, that should be
You're for weighing it.
Square from this side.
This one.
Yeah, we'll be into it, Cal, into the side of the cheek.
This one.
2125. What have you got?
What's it to the outside?
Nah, the other side. Everyone to the other side.
2125.
Yeah. No, to the other far spar.
Oh shit! Sorry. Yeah. Just two. So we got 212.
212. I'm 2125.
Right, that's 2125.
So we know that's centre now.
Yeah.
The number one. And then it's 350 because I've doubled it 355. Yeah, just the back end, mate. Needs just using that 3 We have. Well, I was going to say we are starting a new roof, but we already started the roof. We're well into it. Basically, we've got all the ridges in, hips out. We started to fill it. Started to put the ceiling in. Carl's been basically smashing the B-roll and the time lapse because I've not felt up to speaking for the last few days because I was a bit early and I've had a chest infection. But yeah, we're trying to get a load of talking done now for the rest of the day right on this project. But yeah, as you can see now, we started building a hip roof. On the right hand side here, we're going to have a floating hip. If we come around this side, this section here, we're going to have a valley rafter, which we need to install first here. We've got the ridge in, started to fill out down the side of our lay boards, and yeah, to be honest with you, we had one full day on this yesterday and we've done all right, stripping the roof off. So we've got a good chunk of the work done. So now we're on the cream, just filling in, so we should get plenty of action. And I'll try and get a bit more talking in.
Some power in that.
Holds everything in that.
Yeah.
That's what you need, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, that's that side complete.
I'm happy with it.
Right.
I'm happy with the way it is.
Right, so that is us done for the day. Completed all this side, got everything cut up, all the ceiling in. You can see we started putting joist hangers on, then we've on that double trimmer. Yeah, we got all this side filled in, all the spar feet cut off, ready for barges to go on. We've got one more day left on it to fill out this valley section on Monday morning. Was going to do it over the weekend, but nobody wants to come in. And we've got this side completed. Just got the top corner there, if you can see, there's just a little spar to put in. I did cut one for it, but nobody's put it in just there, which I'll get in. Dragon ties on all the hips. And this is us done for today. Now we're just gonna throw that sheet literally over the roof and then sheet everything up for the weekend and we're off. So that's us done. Had a good graft on this today and yesterday. And like I say, another day and we're done. This roof's complete and handed over back to the builder. Right, so we're back over in Droylsden today and we're getting this roof finished. We've got, to be honest, we've got a nice little bit of work to do today to finish it. We've just got the valley rafters to set out and fill in. Come on, we're gonna have a look. So as you can see now, we've started to finish off this. We finished all this section of roof on Friday, was it Cal? Yeah, Friday. Chris has gone along now, bolting everything up, putting hangers on anything that needs a hanger in. On the double trimmers, bolting all them up. We've just got our barges to put on the outside. And this is it here. So we're gonna, this is what we're on today. This is the valley, we're gonna set this valley rafter out. We're gonna get it all filled in. So there's a nice bit of chunk of work here to do today on this. But it's out, we've only got today to complete it, so it'll all be done. And then we're going to hand this job back over to the builder, which I'm meeting him here tomorrow to make sure he's happy with everything. But yeah, we're going to set up some time lapses. We're going to go get my timber put on my trestles out down below. I'm going to start setting out this valley rafter and cutting it all up. That's it, the valley's installed now, fitted. We're literally now just going to take the measurements from the cripple rafters and then Lee's going to start cutting them all up. We're going to get this left hand side fill this right hand side, then we're going to go around and start putting the like the barge boards on. To be honest, we've only got about an hour or two left on this roof and there'll probably be like an early finish. So, right, that's it, roof complete. Very, very happy with this roof. We've had plenty of detail on this roof. We've got here on hips, valley rafter, cripple rafters, common rafters, jack rafters. We've had the ceiling joist to tie into the roof. As you can see, this roof looks amazing. So yeah, again guys, I'm really happy with this roof. So we're going to sheet this roof over now, me and Cal, and then what we're going to do is we're going to hand this back to the builder because we're only down for the timber frame on the roof only. And again guys, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.